Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part 120 support replay message send in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Gem server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside the real estate underscore Laravel underscore. This is my database name. Inside this list of table is available. In this video is two table use. First table is a support and second table is a support replay. Let's start this video. This my project is available Gem folder inside the htdoc folder, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text detail. This project is a run cmd open. This cmd open this project directory inside this PSP artisan server successfully working fine. This URL is a copy and this paste here this browser. Successfully working fine. This is a successfully working fine. Let's /admin login admin@gmail.com. Password is 1234567889 and click this login and not now. Successfully working fine. This is a working fine. Let's click this support. Inside this is available replay. This is a replay is open is available. Click this replay, and this is this name is a replay. This name is a replay. Let's step by step. Inside this is not a implementation. Let's implementation. First of all, this file is open. This replay file. Same file is available. Resource view admin support, and this is a replay file. Successfully working fine. This is all condition is implementation previous video, and this is a form is available replay message. This replay message, this form is available. Let's change here. This post method is available. This method is available post method, and the same here copy, and this is a id is a dynamic copy, and this route inside this web.php available. This is a same route is available. This is a get route, and inside this post route post and paste here. This is a paste, and this is a id, and same name is a support controller class, and this is a name is a sense. This is a function name is a insert replay. This function name is a insert replay save file. The same here copy this copy and post method, and this is a support controller open. This is a controller inside this available app http controller and support controller. This is a support controller is available. Let's inside this function is a create public function, paste here, and this is a request $request dd $request all. Save file. Successfully save file, and refresh this page. Inside this message the implementation hello and send hello and send. Successfully is available description and hello, and this is a record is a insert. This is a record is a insert support replay. Click this support replay table. This is a support replay table. This click inside this description is a implementation support id is implementation, and this support replay table, and this is a already model is a created. This model name is a support replay model. This is a already created. Please copy this model inside. This is a already include. Please check this previous video. Same here copy, and this comment, and inside this new variable is a create $get record, and this is a inside this id pass. This id is a pass. This is a id is a pass. Same name is a inside this function is a create $id. This variable is a created. Let's $get record is equal to new, and paste here. And same here, copy this copy and paste here same and inside table is inside this available user ID is equal to auth user ID. This is the ID inside the auth user ID, and this is auth is already implementation inside this already implementation, and this request $request, this same name is a request ID implementation. This is the ID. This, let's check this ID is available, cannot available. Inside this is not available, and this is request ID implementation 2 number. This is a fine. Same here, copy and paste here, and this last is a close, and this support ID. Same paste here, and last is the same copy and paste, and this is a description. This description paste here, and this is a name is a paste. This name is a paste here. Successfully paste. All good is a working fine. $get record and save. Return redirect admin. This is the same URL is available. The same URL is the same open, and same copy. This copy and paste here. Dot, this is the ID is already passed. This same ID request ID. This is otherwise this $ID, same copy and paste here, and this with success record update successfully success update, save file, and this is a message is available, success message, and this file is available, same here list file open, and this is available include same copy, and this is open, and inside this paste here, and this is a paste here, and this is underscore message file. This message file open, this message file inside this success message is available. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype is always available, any time is a contact, and this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Inside this is a website is available, Facebook, Instagram, GitHub page, or like this. Let's back button, click this and refresh this page, and this is a table is available, blank table. Let's refresh this page is a blank. Please wait, refresh. Successfully good working. Inside this is a good, not available. Let's welcome into output, and the send successfully send welcome to output, and this is a message a send admin Vipul, and this is a date is a send, and this is a name is a send. Let's refresh this page, all good. This is a available support ID. Again send this is let's work start, and send successfully. This again this is a time is a set, good working. This is the implementation. Let's back button report is a click this, and inside this is a record is a created. This is a second record is a created, good working. Let's inside this is a close. Let's open this, open successfully open. Let's click this request, and this is a name is a include outlook, and send, and this message is a show update message. This outlook is show, and different message inside. This is the ID is a implementation. This is a 2 number, and this is a 1 number, good working. This is a all fine. This is a 2 number and 1 number, and inside this click this. Let's close this, and inside this close, and this is a replace and not a set. Let's close and wait. This is a available message and edit, all good. Let's work is available. good working. This is a fine. Successfully this video is done, and this is a communication design is your implementation. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.